Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a calendar date picker to your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, in the first step, guys, head over to your spreadsheet and left click on the cell where we would like to add the calendar to. You can, for example, also select multiple cells if you like. So let me go with the cell D23, for example, for the sake of this tutorial. Left click on it. And doing this will basically allow you to add calendar to one cell and to pick the date directly from there. This is how you can do it, guys. Once the cell has been selected, click on data here at the top and select data validation from that drop-down menu. And here to the right, from that right panel, click on add a rule here. And after that, select the criteria by clicking on that arrow down icon here and switch from drop-down to is valid date here. Confirm by clicking on done here to apply the rule. And that's basically it, guys. Now, if I double click on that cell here, D23, I will be given access to a calendar as previously mentioned, so that you now may, for example, pick your date like, I don't know, July 10th, just like that. And as you can see, the date has been automatically applied in the correct format. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.